Hexospark Overview. Welcome to Hexospark. Before we get started, a big thank you for joining us as an early access member. Our goal in the coming months is to involve our community during our last mile development and beyond to help us build the best email outreach and CRM platform. The idea is to make it easy to capture leads, personalize emails, and automate follow-ups so you can book more meetings, close more deals, and grow your sales at scale. When you first create your Hexospark account, you will be able to choose the geographic location where you want your CRM data stored. This is ideal if you need to store your data in Europe for privacy requirements. Next, if your plan provides access to workspaces, you will be able to create your first workspace. This is ideal if you want to manage multiple projects within their own CRM contacts and campaigns. Once you have completed this, you will get access to your dashboard, which provides an overview of your workspace and active campaigns. Hexospark features the following key sections. Campaigns enable you to create automated email sequences that are sent at specific intervals. Email templates is where you can create personalized templates using dynamic variables. Contacts is where you can upload new contacts and manage their data. Organizations is where you can add new companies and assign to contacts. Settings, where you can specify account defaults and connect your email sending accounts. Each Hexospark plan enables you to connect one external email account via SMTP or native Gmail G Suite integration. We recommend connecting your email now so that you can get started and unlock all our features. This will enable you to personalize outbound emails, automate follow-ups, and grow your sales by nurturing your leads from prospect to clients in one centralized platform. Now that we have the basics set up, let us take a closer look at each section inside Hexospark and how they work. Contacts. Hexospark provides a fully integrated email outreach and CRM system where you can keep a centralized contact list. No need for a third-party platform or data syncing. Contacts can be leads you haven't reached out to yet, partners, or existing clients you want to keep in touch with. The easiest way to import your contacts is via CSV upload. To do this, prepare a CSV file and upload to Hexospark. You will then be able to match columns in your CSV to CRM fields. Alternatively, you can add contacts manually. Use our browser extension to add leads from LinkedIn or use Hexomatic to capture leads from the web. Once a contact has been uploaded, you'll be able to save notes, view email communications, as well as save attached files to keep images, contracts, or any document at hand. Organizations. Organizations is where you can keep track of organizations assigning contacts and notes to keep your sales process organized. Email templates. The email templates section enables you to tap into our library of pre-existing email templates or create your own featuring dynamic variables to personalize messages based on your CRM data. You can then use these inside email templates to automate your email prospecting and follow-up campaigns. Email campaigns. Email campaigns automate time-consuming email outreach and follow-ups to ensure no lead is left behind. When you create an email campaign, you will be able to send highly personalized emails to contacts based on their CRM data and schedule follow-ups on autopilot based on whether they reply or not to your emails. Once a campaign is live, you can add new contacts to your sequence via our browser extension or by uploading more contacts into your CRM and assigning them to specific campaigns.